Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Wine on Mac. Now there are two methods of doing this. One way you have to open up Terminal, type in a couple commands, wait a long time for it to download, and it's just a big hassle. So I'm going to be showing you a simpler way. First off, just go ahead and open up your web browser and go ahead and go to this link. And once you're there, it should take you to something like this. Just go ahead and click on the box there, and it should take you to a download page, and it should start automatically. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. And once you're done, it should pop up with a DMG or something. And just go ahead and drag in. I think it comes with one thing called Wine and one called Wine Bottler. You just take both of those and put them into your applications folder. And once you're there, you might want to have to run Wine first before you can do anything, because I think it has to configure it and set up a bunch of stuff. And once it's done, you can go ahead and download an exe. It comes with a couple, like basic stuff like Firefox, Notepad. You can go to your home folder, and there should be something in there called Wine files. You can open up Drive C, and now Windows users should be familiar with this. It's pretty much a basic Windows setup. I'm going to go to Windows, and you can see it has Notepad, registry edit, stuff like that. And the cool thing about this is that it doesn't exactly simulate Windows. It is actually technically a copy of Windows. You also get a nice little thing up here. You can go to Configure, and you can actually change what operating system it thinks it's using. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Notepad, just double click, and you should get, you should get something like this. You can convert it to simple OS X application, but I've not really had much luck with that. I seem to get errors every time. Even when it thinks it works, it doesn't really work. So I usually just do run directly and go ahead and hit go. And now down here, either Xcorts or X11 will open. I think it depends on what operating system you're using. And now you get a nice little Wine desktop here. And as you can see, I am now running Notepad. I've also gotten Firefox to work and stuff like that. Not all programs work on here. When you're done, you can just go ahead and hit quit. But to tell what programs work, you can just go ahead and open up your web browser and go to just Google like Wine HQ or something, and it's the first one. And you can go ahead and hit on AppDB in the top right. It stands for App Database. And this will give you information on what apps do and don't work. If it doesn't work, it'll tell you how to fix it if you can. And you can go ahead and go to like Browse Apps or something on the left. And these are all the list of programs known to work. You can also configure Wine by going up to this little thing up here and go to configuration. And it should go ahead and launch Xcorts again. And it'll give you like a nice little window, and you can actually choose operating systems and stuff like that. You choose different versions and stuff. You can also go up here and go to I think it's Wine Tricks. I believe that's it. And actually, there should be a big list filled up in here. I'm not sure why it's not working at the moment. But it'll pop up with a bunch of stuff like DirectX updates, stuff like that, to help you get applications working. Usually bigger applications won't work, just like more complicated ones. But for the most part, all your basic ones will work. And if you're going to want a big application, you might want to actually boot into Windows yourself anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any problems or questions, just go ahead and feel free to email me at aspectofthestorm@gmail.com. Kind of forgot my own email address there. And so yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.